evening with an opening prayer and a blessing on the food, and we have been so blessed to have three of our ward chefs, Brother Perkins, Brother Braithwaite, and Brother Rock, for us tonight.
So it lives and does not die. I do have
a heartfelt project tonight, and we just appreciate everybody's participation. We, at each of your tables, there's a certain number of cosmetic bags. So if there's three, there's either 3 or 4. I'd like at least.
Father, whom I serve and love. As the rain flows to the river.
Well, we have blush and we have eye color and mascara and lip gloss. And this is a really fancy eye brush and it's cool. And then we have some makeup put on and some little, what these are, Neutrogena facial wipes and a very nice note.
Through Jesus may these living waters in my heart and soul remain. Gentle rain pours down a blessing, drops of mercy from the sky, drenching parched and thirsty earth light, so it lives and does not die. I do have need for living water, especially the kind from heaven up above. Please quench my thirst with living water. Father, whom I serve.
What an evening for us to do, to gather tonight to put together kids on Mother's Day weekend. Because you know these people are mothers, and you know that the path that they have had has probably been a little bit different than the path you have had. But you are going to touch someone's heart, and to me that's the essence of what we need to do in the gospel. So thank you for your generosity. Please, when you see young women, thank them for being a part